Okay friends, so I have perceived two characters in my story, one male and one female, and Arpit is the hero of my story. Arpit is 18 years old, a BSc first year student. He is going to his college one day, and in his route he found a girl begging for lift. He suddenly opened his door, and the girl set a gun in his mind, and he after some time he was successful to convince her, and he on inquiring he found that the girl had no employment. He asked his father to give her any employment. After some time he was successful to give her a job. Thank you.
So in the picture, I have perceived two characters, one male and one female. Rajiv, 20 years old, is a NCC cadet who has been serving NCC for his last 5 years. One day, he met one of his seniors, Rashi, 25 years of age, who bought an 1857 revolver along with her. Rajiv is a very curious lad and had been shooting rifles for his last some years. He is a very good shooter, and soon as he saw that revolver, Rashi started to describe about that. He was very keenly interested in that. He listened to all the functioning of the gun very curiously, and very soon he was able to learn all the functioning of it. On the next day, he went to the NCC camp and used the revolver to shoot. Very soon he was able to learn the skills for the revolver, and in the future he went on to be known as one of the most renowned revolver shooters of his regiment. Thank you.
The picture shown to us, I perceive two characters, their age about 21 and having positive mood. The theme of my story is having trekking in forest. Ram, age 21, is a native of Rampur, graduating from Delhi University in sociology. He planned for forest trekking, which was 10 km away from his home. He convinced his friend Radha to take part in it. He convinced his friend and started on time and reached the forest. They carried a gun because they are having some risk of animals, so they carried guns. They have great time in forest. They spent lot of time in forest and took photos and video of forest and spent a day away from city hustle. They returned back successfully. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived two male and two female characters from the picture shown to us. Both are in neutral mood. Raghav, 22, ND cadet, is the main character of my story. Theme of my story is dealing a gun handling situation, and my story goes like this. Raghav decided to go visit Jammu and Kashmir in his summer vacations. He went there in his car, and suddenly he found some miscreants stopped him, and a girl showed him a gun, and as he was ND cadet and with his learning the combat skills, he snatched a gun from her and overpowered them. And after that, I want to add, he handed over them to the police and visited place happily and went his home. It was a learning experience. Thank you.
Picture given to us, there are two characters in my story. One is Amit. He is 14 year old and he is a bus driver in a tourism department. And when he went to go to picnic, and there are 25 members in a bus, and suddenly he enter in forest, and some dacoits like 25 to 30 dacoits come into in a bus and stop their bus, and suddenly group leader in dacoits, her name is Rani, and he said stop that bus and say collect for money, but bus driver.
From the picture shown to us, I had perceived two characters, that is male of 22 years and is in a neutral mood, and a female of 20 years old and she is in a negative mood. Aman was a government bus driver and was in a regular duty. So a lady came to his bus as a passenger, and after some time she started giving command to the Aman to not to stop a bus at any circumstances and pointed a gun out towards him. And then after some time, Aman saw that police was chasing his bus because of that lady. Then Aman immediately applied the brake of the bus, and because of this, that lady got disbalanced and dropped a gun from his hand, and Aman immediately caught that lady and handed over to the police. Thank you.
Friends, I perceive two characters in my story. One is male and another is female. The age of the male character is 25 years old, and he is in positive mood. And the action of my story is that training the Indian Army soldiers how to handle a situation when there is when someone puts the gun on you. The story is like that. Mohan is a 25 years old Indian Army officer, and he trained his Indian Army soldiers then how to handle the situation. He give them demo and put the gun to a female Indian Army soldier, and he said him to stop the bus, and he overpowered him. How he cleverly snatched the gun and overpowered him, and finally he taught them how to handle the situation. So they were all well trained. Thank you.
Friends, I perceive two characters in the picture, one male and one female of the age category 30 and 22 respectively. One is in neutral mood and other is in the positive mood. The action of my story is preventing a Naxal attack. Ramesh was 30 years old bus driver, and he was travelling from Chhattisgarh to West Bengal via bus. And while driving to an isolated place, a female passenger got up from her seat and pointed a gun towards Ramesh, and told him to stop at a certain location in the isolated road. And he also saw barricades, and he quickly analyzed the situation and got to know that it is a Naxal attack, and they tend to take hostile action against the passengers and use them to collect ransom from the government. He distracted the girl and quickly snatched the gun away from the girl, and also drove past the barricades without stopping anywhere in the forest, and was only stopping near a police station to hand over the girl to the police and also reporting the incident to the police. The girl was of a very valuable source of information to the police about the Naxals, and he continued his journey to West Bengal as he was going.
Friend, from the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters. One is male and other is female. Both the age group between 20 to 22 respectively, and the male mood is positive and the female is neutral. The theme of my story, giving demo of self defense in the situation of Naxalism. Rohan, 22, SI in Prayagraj. He also a member of Lok Kalyan NGO. So he decided to spread awareness about this type of situation. So firstly, he took all necessary things which is required during the demo, like bus and add up and fake a gun. He also chose a girl as a volunteer for demo, and he also aware about the what to do in this situation, like how to tackle. He also convince him and negotiate with him, and he secretly informed the police. These all are things he showing by demo, and after doing this, his work was appreciated by people and also his NGO member. Thank you.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters, one male and other one is female. The central character of my story is Rahul, age 22, and whose mood is positive. The action of my story is saving a girl from strangers. Rahul, 22, a sub-inspector in Lucknow Police, is recently come from, after completing his vacation, resumed his duty. One day when he is on his patrolling, he saw a girl who is coming from party. He saw that three boys were trying to molest her. So he immediately confronted them.
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters. One was male, age 28, and another was female, age 22. Mood was positive. Action of my story: teaching techniques regarding karate. Ram was my main character in my story, and he was a karate coach. One day he decided to giving the awareness in his village. Nearby his village there was a canal where ducks used to live there, and he decided to give the tax to teach some techniques in his rural village. And he decided to give a demo how to tackle the critical situation. And he went in his village and give the demo and trained all the women and also as well peoples. They all, after giving the teaching techniques, they all were trained. Thank you.
I have perceived two characters in the story. One is male and another is female. Age was 21-year-old and mood was positive. The main character in my story is Shivam, an army officer. One day when he was going for her duty, he saw a girl standing beside the road and asking for some help. And he decided to help her, and that time he put a gun on her. At that time he saved him, and after that he asking him for reason what I say is this type of उसे पूछता कि वो इस टाइप के क्यों कर रही है. After that he aware his parents and he aware a program that everyone can handle it this type of problem. Thank you.
Friends, according to picture, we have perceived two characters. One is male and one is female. Central character of my story is female, 29 years old, having mood positive. Action of my story: teaching about hijacking conditions. Sunita is a 29 years old officer in RPF. She was training in Northern Command. She was training about how to tackle the condition of hijacking. Mohan, 28 years, appointed new loco pilot in Jalandhar Express, which passes through the jungle area where the ducats are common. Ducats were common. Sunita teaches her about the conditions, how to tackle the conditions of hijacking and maintain precautions in this condition. Mohan was satisfied with the teaching new techniques. Sunita was also satisfied with teaching new techniques, and she was satisfied with her job and duty. Thank you. It's all about my story.
Gentlemen, from the picture shown to me, I perceive two characters. One is male and other is female. The age group is about 24 and 23 years old respectively. The action of my story is saved the people to be looted by the dacoits. The hero of my story is Riya. My story goes like this. Riya is a 23-year-old girl. He is the student of the MSc from the SNPG College, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. She regularly participated in the shooting competition from his college. One day when he was returning home from doing the practice from the coach, he was going by the bus for the house. In the middle of the route, she found that some dacoits had stopped the bus and entered into the bus, and they had the knives. They were threatened the passengers to be handed over their valuable things, and the leader of the dacoits catch the driver of the bus and seat up over the bus of the on the driving seat. But Riya has the gun with her, so he threatened the dacoits and shooted in the upside to threat them and made them to be the surrender and handed over to the police. And after it, she saved the all passengers to be looted, and after it, she reached her house safely. Gentlemen, as you perceive, there are the one male character. He is
and one male and one female. One is holding a gun in a hand, and other is sitting in a chair. And it looks like a bus condition.
Yes.
And most of us made a story about the Naxalism. And
gentlemen, the girl looking like the shooter, and so we can say that she is returning from the shooting of.
We should make him an Indian Army bus driver, where he is newly allocated. Here,
instead of making an Indian Army bus driver, we can make him a local bus driver, and also he wants to
spread awareness about how to tackle in that situation, like Naxalis and other situations. So he arranged a bus and also choose a girl as a volunteer and also arrange a make girl.
The female pointed out as a point that he can also add. So we can share a story like that he was driving in a very isolated area like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, where Naxalist problem is very common, and we can also tell that he was told to stop in an isolated place so that Naxalists can hijack the bus and demand ransom from the government in return for the people.
The female here should be a Jawan, where she brings a gun near the bus driver. Soon as the bus driver sees the gun, he becomes very curious and very soon he joins the army and he learns about the war.
Demo.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
As we all know that in our as my previous speaker, case number 159, as mentioned in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand region, there is this type of problem is very common. So he want to spread awareness about how to tackle in that situation.
And he also teaches the main
organizing this is a Naxalism attack while passing through Chhattisgarh to West Bengal.
He also told to them, the people, the passenger can also convince, politely convince and negotiate with them, and also
we can also bring in the point of that how to take the help of passengers in this case. Like the bus driver will be driving and simultaneously he will not be able to restrict. Now last 1 minute altogether discuss and come out with the problem. Yes, we can make a story on Naxal. So we have already decided that he the bus conductor, bus driver and the passengers getting the bus and also pointed a gun in the bus driver's head to hijack the bus. So she also told them to stop at isolated place so her mates or her other Naxal people can hijack the bus and demand ransom from the government, and so this can be a location of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand.
So in the scene of a mob where the driver is being taught about how he can be attacked by the Naxals, he learns the mob drill very successfully, and he thereon he went on to be a very good
One of you nominated by group members can get up and give comment to the story.
180.
I think 180.
Thank you, friend, for nominating to me. As we are perceived, there are two characters. One is male and other is female. The male is mood positive and the female is mood neutral. The age group between 20 to 22, and the theme of our story, how to tackle in that Naxalist-like situation. Rohan, 22, SI in Prayagraj, and also member of NGO, Lok Kalyan NGO. So he decided with NGO team member to spreading awareness about the tackle the situation. So he collect all necessary things which is required that demo, and like a bus and a fake gun, and also choose a girl as a volunteer, and showing these all things by as a demo. So after doing this, his work was appreciated by people and NGO member.
Okay, got that. So all of you into agreement with this as a common good story?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Is it yes?
Yes, sir.
He said only आपसे अपनी story से सुना. Yes. Okay. So basically, what we got to know that there is a hijack case of bus which the candidate are into agreement with this as a common good story, where your hero is preventing hijack case and further informing the police to restrict and avoid such cases in the future, right?
Yes.
Is it common good story?
No, sir.
To train about how to tackle conditions of hijacking.
So you also further involved into the training process.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To restrict such cases.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got that. All of you please get up. Turn to your left.